the Honda heated grips for the Transalp. And if you need the part number, it's right here, 08 T as in Tom 70-MLC-DOO, D-O-O. I don't know if it's D00 or D-O-O. See here, you take a picture of that and you go, it takes you to the place where it shows you the installation instructions for it. Comes with a bracket to run the wire as well as tie wraps. These are interesting tie wraps. And here are the grips. This is the throttle grip, and this is the other side. This is what they look like. And these wires just connect OEM into one of the parts on the motorcycle. I'll show you that once I start doing it. And here's the other one that goes on the other side. So alright, so let me turn this flashlight off so you can see better. Alright, let me show you this. So what I did was took off the mirrors, and it's basically 2 bolts right here and 2 bolts over here to take off the mirrors. And then there's 4 bolts on this that you can take off. It obviously looks like this. And the bolts are on the back side. And the reason why is because you want to remove, you want to be able to move this out of the way so you can work on this. So here's the throttle body right here, and then make a note of where it's at on the handlebar right here. And then basically this whole thing slides off like this. That's the old throttle body. Now for the wire, for the heated grips, you'll see it has the same thing. And then all you do is slide this on. Bam. And then put it back together. Here, I'll show you how to do that really quick. It's very simple. You just basically, this goes over this piece right here, and then you put the 4 screws in, and then it goes back together. And then I'll show you where they go on. I'll show you where the wires go and how those hook up too. But it's fairly simple, straightforward to get this taken apart and put back together. So I'll show you what it looks like in a sec. Put this all back together, and here you can see the cruise control is back on, and the wire for the heated grip is right here. And I'm going to run it down and tie it up and connect it where it's supposed to be. And then I wanted to show you the other grip and what I had to do. And basically I had to take all of the clutch off, as well as the pod that was on there. And this just slides like this. And so I'm going to try to fix that, and I'm going to put some glue on it to keep that in place. And then I'll run those down, put it all back together, and that will be done. I'll catch you up on everything else I'm doing here in a second. I wanted to show you that I cleaned this mess up. So the controllers right here for the cruise control. I also hooked up the this wire right here is for the heated grips, and I ran it all the way up and put it on the handlebars. I still actually have to cut this little tie wrap and this tie wrap, but all right, I wanted to show you where the other wire for the heated grip comes, and it comes through here. You have to actually put it, there's a cutout right here behind this grip that the wire just goes right in there and then comes out this side, and I'm going to attach it right here. This one will go down, and right here in this boot there's actually the plug for the heated grip, and you just plug it right in there, And so I'm going to do that right now and tie wrap everything down. And now I'm moving on. Did the heated grips, those are all done, and that's, you can't tell the wires on it. It's pretty cool. For the heated grips, you just push this function button right here, and you can see it on the bottom of the display, and it is controlled by, the adjustments are controlled by this switch right here. And so you can go up or down, and they work amazingly because I already put them up to level 5 and it was too hot to touch. So welcome back to Sasmoto. Took a little detour, wanted to see this spot over here off the road, and look how beautiful it is. Took the Transalp out, and I've been down this road up here, but I haven't been up it. It's a dirt road. Right here you can't tell, but it goes straight up. Here's the other side of the creek, and here's the beautiful Transalp now. Got the cosmetics done on it. That's complete. Some of the things I did was I added, I don't know if people like it, I like it, this carbon fiber beak. It's pretty cool. What else? Just wanted to show you some of the functions on it. Got my GPS installed. Got the lights installed, and here's the button to turn them on, turn them off. Flashing, non-flashing. It has white as well as yellow lights on it. Just wanted to show you what those look like from the front. Pretty bright. People will see you. I think it looks really cool. What else? Oh, I wanted to also show you, here's the cruise control installed, and one of the things that I've never had before on a motorcycle is the heated grips. And to turn those on, their function, you can see the symbol right here, and to adjust the heated grips, just push up and down on this and it adjusts them. So it's pretty cool. So far I'm happy with them. Today I haven't had to use them because it's a beautiful day outside. It's 60 degrees and I thought I'd go for a ride. Yeah, so just wanted to give you an update on all the fantastic stuff that I've added.